understand or to explain what their injuries are. And so it's intense. And then during the trial, I will be doing the cross-examination of the other side, the defendant. Maybe it's the property owner. Maybe it's the doctor that committed the malpractice. In any event, at the end of the day, we ask a jury to come back with fair and just compensation for what our client went through. Now, the jury can agree with us and give us exactly what we ask for. That's one possibility. The other possibility is that the jury does not give us what we ask for. They give us more, which is always very nice. The third possibility is they give us less than what we asked for. And the fourth possibility is that we would lose altogether. For some reason, they felt that our client should have, maybe they were at fault for the accident. So, obviously, that's not a result that you want, but the point is that you can have all of these different results and you waited 2 years more rather than settling your case. So these are the things that we have to talk to the clients about. And sometimes I encourage the client to go to trial, if there are situations where the other side is what they call no pay, where they're not intending to pay any money on the case, then I would definitely encourage our clients to go to trial. We really don't have much of a choice, right? Because if they don't pay on the case, they don't get compensated, and we don't make any money on the case. So we have to stay in business. So that would be something we would have to do. But it is a stressful type of experience, and it causes anxiety. And like I said, it takes a long time to get there. And at the end of the day, whatever the result is, if we're happy with it, then that's great. If we're unhappy with it, we can appeal that decision to the higher court, the appellate court. And that takes a long time, years. But as some of our staff know, we do appellate briefs, and then we would say, no, the jury made the wrong decision, the judge made this mistake, and our client's entitled to this amount of recovery. And so we can argue that way and try to get the higher court to overturn the lower court's decision and therefore get a better result. But that takes a long, long amount of time. And so the best result is to try to settle the case as soon as possible, but maybe it's not the top dollar that you were hoping for, but it hopefully is an amount that is fair and reasonable and reflects what the person has gone through and how it's affected their life. So that's kind of everything in a nutshell. But the idea of settling a case and working on the settlement, you always have to be ready to say, no, we're going to go to trial. Thank you very much, but we're ready to go to trial. Our client is not interested in that ridiculous offer that you're making to us. Goodbye, hang up on them, and move on to the next phase, which quite frankly is something that we pride ourselves in doing at my law firm. So if you've been hurt in any kind of an accident and you feel you need a lawyer, call me. My name is Neil Redmond. You can reach me at 844-NEIL-RED. And if you're not happy with the law firm that's working on your case now, you can also change lawyers. That doesn't cost you any more money. In fact, I would almost guarantee you're going to make more money by switching to my law firm than a firm that is not doing the job that you would hope they would do for you. So call me at 844-NEIL-RED.